Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Gemini, and I put in this prompt, right? Give me an up-to-date Google script to mass delete Google Calendar event with exact phrase on top of script. And then it's going to go ahead and run it. It's going to generate me like a script, Google script. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy this to script.google.com, create a new project, paste the whole thing in, and then I'm going to change this phrase into the phrase that I need. So in this case, I'm going to need this phrase. I'm going to put that phrase here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead, there's some settings here. I don't know, days back, doesn't really matter to me, but I can put something like this. And then save it, and go ahead and run it. And then it's going to ask for like permission and whatnot in a bit. Review permission, right? Then grant it the permission, put it in events, go to the project, and then grant the permission. And it's gonna check that, right? And it's gonna run this. And then now it's from January to December, so it's deleting stuff from January. It's March now, so it's gonna continue working on this until December. Because I know this mass event is like last for a year. All right, so it's May already. You can check on here as well. Right? Refresh this, and it's already deleted in May, so there's some left in July, which is just doing right now, but it did delete up to May, right? Nothing in April as well. Let's keep going. It's August right now, September. Now just wait until it finish everything. October now, November, December, and should finish soon. Here you go. Yeah, successfully delete for the event, right? This April, May, June, July, August, September, December, delete everything, right? Nice.